Hello, cocktail connoisseur. My name is Dominik. We are in Zagreb in Peaches and Cream Bar. I'm gonna make you our drink, which our guests love the most, which is our house Paloma. It is our version of that classic one. We are gonna start with making a salt rim with salt, which is blended with a house mixture of spices. We are gonna go with 40 ml of tequila Patron. We are gonna go with 15 ml of our wasabi lime cordial, which is gonna give it the acidity, and wasabi in there is gonna give it a bit of body. It's not gonna be the spiciness, but only the body. The last step is gonna be to top it off with 100 ml of 3-cent soda. We're gonna stir it up a bit. Add a bit more ice. And we're gonna finish it off with a lime juice. There you go. Enjoy.